Hi Gemini, welcome to your end of the year forecast. And remember that these are general readings, so take from them what you can and leave the rest for others. Also, the roles can be reversed and the time is fluid. So let's see what the end of the year is looking for you like. We already have the card of Chariot for you, and we have the Five of Water and the Four of Water for you, Gemini. Let's see. Let me clarify. So I feel that you people have already moved, started moving in the last few weeks. Now, when I say end of the year, this is applicable from September to December 2020. And I feel like you are on your way to an important achievement because a major part of this year has been playing the role of transforming quite a few things in your lives. I also feel, it's okay. Okay. I also feel like a lot of you, Gemini, are feeling that, as much as you felt the transformative energies, you're also not able to perform to your expectations or something, or take steps or your chances in the direction that you wanted to. That could be very much because of the external situation that's prevalent here right now. I also feel that you are building up this positivity and this energy inside of you. It's not going to die, so I don't see this dying anytime soon. And you also feel that you somewhere missing an opportunity to pull yourself out of a past commitment or a past situation or a place of stagnation. For some of you, I also see that you could be feeling a little bored, but is it so, Spirit? Is it so? Not at all, Gemini. I feel like you are being prepared to go forward in the year 2020 with a more balanced mind. So if you're feeling here, because with the card of Chariot, I definitely see movement happening for you at the energetic level. But if you are feeling that on the physical front, not a lot of things are happening for you, or you're not able to take your chances, you're not able to go out and do things, this is not going to remain so. Because in this process, I see you making plans for going forward. And we have the Two of Wands here. So this is like giving you a time to do your background work, do the research in a better way. That's how the end of year is preparing you. I also feel, Gemini, we have the card of the Tower here. I also feel that, don't do something too impulsive or hasty out of boredom, because then we have the card of the Tower here, and that means you could be, taking decisions impulsively, which may or may not work in your favor. There is this mixed energy in the last few months of the year in your sign, Gemini. I also feel, someone could be coming around who might try to take away your resources, or for some of you, your image, and for some of you, your money. So you need to be careful around people and not discuss your plans outside. More than anything else, Gemini, I feel it's the boredom that's killing you, if I can use that word on YouTube anymore. But I see you moving away from this energy. I see you moving away from this energy because your mind is going to be so full of ideas. This is mostly the work you're doing in the background so that you can enter the new year with a more positive attitude. And we have a King of Cups. Somewhere I feel that you are generating or working on these ideas ruthlessly, and you're not going to take in consideration whoever or whatever comes on your path. I also have the card of, for some of you with the Five of Water, I feel like, um, there could be a turning point in a relationship or at the emotional front. And some of you could be saying bye bye to a relationship that has not been working out for you. So for singles, I definitely see you moving out. And for those already married or a couple, there could be temptations for you here, you guys. You need to watch out for that, because that's not leading to a happy ending here. Someone, like I said, is out here in the last quarter of the year to play on your emotions, your image, or your money, or maybe all of these three combined. So you need to watch out against the temptations and people around you. You can't trust anyone at this time. Work is, however, looking good, but going out and making an investment is not advisable right now. I also feel that what do we have here? I also feel you are somewhere a little apprehensive of going out in the world, though your energies are bubbling inside and you want to. But I feel that somewhere you're not so ready and you're still not sure if things are going to work out, how your plans are going to take shape in the external world. What do we have? The Ten of Cups here. I feel for some of you, even family life is feeling very burdensome, Gemini, or caring for small little details or those around you. This could feel a lot more of a tug on your energy levels. But I feel in the end you're going to be able to handle all these things. So Gemini, when you have all these facets to you, you also have a lot of ideas brewing inside of you. And I feel with the card of Empress appearing here, you're going to do just fine. But yes, there are quite a few lessons here I see in the end of the year forecast for you that you are going to be working on simultaneously. So the message that I have from Spirit for you is, this is the time to absorb the healing properties that nature has to offer. Your mind, body, and soul need nourishment, Gemini. So, when all these energies are tugging at you, you need to fill your cup up. Okay? Energy, revitalization, and strength. So, you need your mind, body, and soul need nourishment, energy, revitalization, and strength. Nature has much to offer. So take this time to connect and spend some quality time outdoors and by yourself is what I'm getting for you, Gemini. Let's see what other messages I get for you from the universe. So we have the card of the devil again. So twice already in your reading, we have quite a few major arcana cards in your reading here, Gemini. And we have devil twice. So you have to be very careful. Do not fall for any temptations. I also feel a lot of sexual energy here in your reading. So this could be you. This could be someone else trying to or thinking about you. And that's where this energy is building up. So you need to avoid temptation because this is followed by deceit, and it's not the outcome is not looking good in that regard, Gemini. Let me draw some more cards for you. We also have the card of the world, another major arcana card here. So be open to new possibilities in all areas of your life. So I have been saying to you, you have a lot of energy bubbling inside of you now, and you want to go out and do so much in the world. That's all right, but do your background work pretty well here, because the new year is bringing in a better time with far better opportunities. So hold back just a little longer and work on these ideas in the background. That's what the end of year is for you, Gemini. And that's it for your reading. If you'd like a private reading, you can find the details to approach me in the description box below. And also remember, I offer free readings on Instagram, Facebook. You can find the details to my page and follow me there to get updates as to when I go live and get a free reading there too. So that's it from me for now. Until we meet again, bye bye and stay beautiful.